I'm Devyn Appleyard.
And I'm Jaedyn Townsley, and today we are at HB Beals
For the Skills Ontario Cardboard Boat Racing Championships. Woo!
Today we are going to find out if the boats will sink.
Or float. That's up for you to find out. The Skills Ontario Cardboard Boat Racing Championships promote hands-on learning, teamwork, communication, and it gives students an opportunity to use skills from the trades for fun. Who doesn't love that? Let's talk to our judges to see what exactly makes an epic boat.
It's going to be a combination of, team spirit.
Why is your team the best here?
We got flowers.
Perfect. Now, are those tattoos permanent?
Yeah, they're real.
And it's about teamwork.
In 5 words, why is your boat superior to everyone else's?
Because we have hard work, teamwork, better boat.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
But at the end of the day, it's about planning.
What was the planning like for your boat?
So we decided to make it longer and more skinny so that we could be more aerodynamic and race faster.
Your team has built 2 boats. What is the reasoning for this?
One boat goes inside the other. It's a lot stronger than making one and adding to it.
Congratulations to everyone who made a boat today. We can't wait to see them in action. We are heading down to the pool right now, so let's get racing.